In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use app.photoroom.com to enhance your photos with text and style. Let's get started and dive into the fascinating world of photo editing with Photoroom. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Photoroom Create page. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a simple prompt inviting you to drop one or more photos. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you upload the images you wish to edit. You can either drag and drop the files directly into the browser or use the file picker to select images from your device. Once your photo or photos have been uploaded, let's start by adding some text. To do this, look for the Add Text button and click on it. This feature allows you to incorporate typography with your imagery, which can be particularly useful for social media posts, personal projects, or even professional design work. Now that you have the text added, you might be wondering how to choose the best style for your project. It's easy. Use the arrows or scroll through the different styles available. Photoroom provides a wide array of text styles to suit various themes and moods, so take your time experimenting to find what looks best. Once you've found a style you like, click on it. This step is crucial because picking the right text style can significantly impact the overall feel of your photo. With your preferred style selected, it's time to personalize the message. Simply type to edit the text in the designated text box. Adjust the wording to reflect the theme or message you wish to convey. Whether it's a catchy slogan or a heartfelt message, making the text your own is where creativity flourishes. To ensure everything looks perfect, click outside the workspace. Doing so will allow you to see the layers of your project, providing a clear view of how your text, image, and styles interact. This function is particularly useful for multitasking and managing complex projects with multiple elements. Next, you can click on the text layer itself to bring up additional options. This allows further customization, including font changes, color edits, and size adjustments. Exploring these options can make your text stand out and better complement your photo. If, at any point, you decide to change the message or correct a typo, click on the pencil icon within the text box to enter a new text. This feature ensures that your content remains flexible and adaptable to any last-minute changes you might have. And there you have it. You've successfully used app.photoroom.com to add text and style to your photos, creating personalized and eye-catching images. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with different styles, layers, and customization options, the more proficient and creative you'll become. Whether for fun or professional use, Photoroom offers the tools you need to bring your visual ideas to life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!